In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove important in Microsoft Teams. If you've sent a message in Teams and marked it as important by mistake, don't worry. You can quickly edit that message and change the delivery setting back to a normal one. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is where you'll find the conversation that contains the message you want to change. Once you're in the right chat, locate the message that was sent with the important label. Next, hover your cursor over that sent message. When you do this, additional message options will appear. Look for the edit option and click it. Editing the message allows you to change not only the text if needed, but also the delivery setting attached to it. This is the key part if your goal is to remove the important status. After the message enters edit mode, click the plus sign or the option just below the text box. In Teams, this area gives you access to more message tools and formatting controls. Depending on your screen size or version of Teams, the button placement may look slightly different, but it should be near the message editing area. From there, click on Set Delivery Options. This menu controls how the message is labeled when it appears in the chat. If a message is marked as important, this is the setting you need to update in order to remove that emphasis. Now, select Standard. Choosing Standard changes the message back to a regular chat message, which removes the important label. This is useful if the message doesn't need special attention anymore, or if it was marked incorrectly in the first place. Finally, click the check mark to save your edit. This confirms the changes and updates the message in the conversation. Once saved, the message should no longer appear as important. A quick tip while doing this: make sure you actually save the edit with the check mark, because if you close out of edit mode without confirming, the change won't be applied. Also, if you don't see the exact same icons right away, take a moment to hover carefully over the message area, since Teams sometimes hides options until your cursor is in the right spot. And that's it. That's how to remove important from a message in Microsoft Teams by editing the message, changing the delivery option to standard, and saving the date.